What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick one for you. We're going to be taking a look at a wireless gaming headset by EKSA called the E900 X. EKSA was nice enough to send us over this headset. So guys, let's go ahead and take a look and jump right into it. So what do you get with this EKSA E900 X wireless gaming headset? First of all, you get some compatibility with the PS5, PS4, Nintendo Switch, laptops using Windows 7, 8, and 10. And I believe you can use this with the Xbox as well, as long as your headset is connected to the controller. You're not going to be able to use this wireless transmitter for your Xbox, which is something that kind of sucks, but that's usually how it is. We're good. We're happy enough. I was going to say good enough, but we're good enough with having this headset compatible with the PS5, PS4, and Nintendo Switch. So I'll take that. So of course you get your wireless transmitter, which is going to be like a adapter that you can switch between USB-A and USB-C in order to use this headset wirelessly. We get some lighting effects on the side here. You get EKSA's voice peer ENC along with the 7.1 sound bass. So guys, I think what I'll do is end up testing this headset towards the end of the video. I'll do like some gameplay and you guys can hear the sound quality, and I'll probably give you my opinion. But let's go ahead and just check out what we get in the box. So on the back of the box, it has a bunch of information about the specifications and the specs of the headset, but we're looking at the contents. So we're going to be getting a USB Type-C dongle, USB adapter, 3.5 millimeter audio cable, and that's what I believe you're going to be using to connect this headset to your Xbox controller so that you can game that way. We get a carrying pouch. Cool, that's nicer than the ad. Of course, your user manual, a quick guide card, and the headset itself. So guys, this headset should last, it says, without the lights for about 23 hours, and the charging time is about 2.5 hours. So you're getting 50 millimeter for diameter for the speakers. What else? With the sensitivity here is 105, it says, and 3 decibels, I think it is. Don't quote me on that. I could be wrong there. But your frequency is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. So, you know, all my headphones and headset fans, you guys should know what this means. I'm just a gamer that loves headsets, so let's just have some fun here, guys. Anyways, I won't make this a long drawn out unboxing, but let's see what you get. Look, nice and easy opening. I didn't even have to bring out our unboxing knife. Boom. Just like that, you can see, well, what do we get? Before we get to the headset itself, in this nice meshish filling carrying case, let's see what you get in this little box. It says 5.8 gigahertz wireless gaming headset. Innovation for gamers. All right, so okay, so this is going to be some of your cables along with that wireless transmitter and an adapter for it. So we're looking at USB type A to USB type C cable right off. It says EKSA on it. Here's our 3.5 millimeter headphone cable, aka the audio jack, aka not the audio jack, aka the aux cable for the audio jack. Cool. Is there anything? I thought this showed a picture of the actual wireless transmitter, but it didn't come out. Uh-oh. Hope we didn't get played here, guys. Ah, there it is. It's under the carrying pouch and the headset itself. Let's just move these to the side for now and see what else you get. So you get it must be your user guide. It has frequently asked questions here, and you're just going to scan it, and this is going to pull up for you. But as you see, we get our wireless transmitter, which really makes this headset worth it. And guys, this headset is about, I believe it's under $80. I'll drop a discount code in the description so that you guys can save a little money, but you can pick it up on EKSA site or Amazon. But yeah, it is an inexpensive, and I say inexpensive, it's a lesser expensive headset. So hopefully that means the quality is still relatively decent, but you know, I don't know if you guys like to spend hundreds of dollars on your headsets. How often are you actually gaming where it would justify spending hundreds of dollars on a headset? I don't know, but spending under $100 is cool with me. So guys, all right, here's the wireless transmitter, that 5.8 gigahertz transmitter. Put this to the side too. Let's see what else we get with the user information. So then you get the actual user manual, and you know I suggest reading this, but as I say, most of you won't, but you should, because it has a bunch of helpful information about your product. So we'll just toss it to the side. Clear all this stuff out and come back to it later. So that's pretty much what you get in the box. Pretty simple. Now let's take a look at the E900 X itself in this nice carrying case. So I do like the carrying case. It's more like a carrying pouch. I like the material. It feels like when you get a new sheet or a new blanket and it comes in that little case, in that little carrying pouch, and you're taking it out. That's the vibe I'm getting here. I called it mesh, but it's kind of like a silkish material. Anyways, it says EKSA on it, and it's gray, and it has these nice purple straw strings. So yeah, I'm feeling it. Anyways, we didn't come for that. Oh man, so this headset is actually quite nice. I'm not even gonna lie to you. The ear cups are really big and they're plush. The material used feels very plush. You get a retractable mic, which is a plus. What else do you get? So this looks like your USB Type-C, where your USB Type-C cable is gonna go for charging the device. Here's where the audio jack is for that 3.5 millimeter aux cable. You got, what is this button? This looks like a button to cycle some lights on and off. You got your volume adjuster here. And then you have a mute button here. Yeah, for under $100, these headphones feel nice. Let me just toss these on real quick so I can tell you if these are actually comfortable or not. Oh yeah, I can barely hear myself, but I can tell you guys that the ear cups are very comfortable, as well as this head strap is also comfortable. So wearing this headset for hours on end, you shouldn't have a problem. I do like the design up top with the EKSA logo up here. I like the color scheme, red and black, of course. You know I'm a fan of red and black. So guys, I think we need to plug this thing up so that we can get some light action. Actually, let me see if I can plug it in on my desk right now and see if we can at least turn the lights on. We'll use the USB type A to USB type C cable. Boom. Now the design of the headset is nice, but I'm very interested now to see what the sound quality is like. And I'm not sure if my voice is gonna sound a little tinted or mutey. That's what it usually sounds like when you're using budget-ish headphones. But I'm not really concerned about how I sound to others. I'm more so concerned about how the game sounds to me and how they sound to me using this headset. Let me plug in over here and see if we can get some light action. I should have thought about this before, so don't kill me in the comments section. But let's see what these things look like with some light on. Okay, got them plugged in. You can tell by this little red light down here, this LED light, that they're charging. Now let's toss on let's see if we can get some lights on. So I gotta hold this button. Do I got not enough juice in here or what? Pushing and holding the light button, but nothing's coming on. Maybe it takes a while. All right, let's see. Actually, maybe my source isn't on all the way. Might have been a user error, guys. Hold on. Let's try this again. Nope. Still nothing. We might have to come back when I get some lights on. But anyways, guys, overall, I really like these headphones, or this headset. I know I haven't got to test them out quite yet, but just on first impressions, they look very nice. They feel comfortable. The ear cups are huge and plush. It has a nice carrying case, and it came with quite a few cables, from the aux cable to this charging cable. So I don't think you should have too big of an issue using these headphones with all your gaming systems. I'm gonna try one more time to get this light on, and if not, I'll just grab an Xbox controller so we can see what it's gonna look like connected to the Xbox controller. Yeah, I'm not getting any light action here, guys. Controller, the headset, that's the controller, but the headset might be just dead. So let me grab a Xbox controller. I just want you guys to see what you guys can look forward to while using the EKSA E900 X. So we got my go-to Xbox controller, which a lot of you guys have been loving. This is the one I collaborated with X Gaming on, and we created something very nice. And by we, I mean me. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like plugged into your Xbox. The color scheme couldn't be more on point. There we go. So guys, that was a real quick look and unboxing at the EKSA E900 X. For first impressions, I think this is a solid headset. I definitely gotta throw the thing on, get some gameplay in, and then come back with a little preview so you guys can determine. Drop a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys think of the EKSA E900 headset, and if it's something that you'd pick up, especially for a headset under $100. I think you can't go wrong with this one. Granted, the sound quality. So guys, I appreciate you rocking with the channel. I'll leave you with a light preview of the headset, and I thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Guys, I just had to pop back in real quick before we end the video just to show you what this thing looks like with the lights on. And it's really cool. I like the design they have here. It's like a triangle pattern design all throughout the side of the headset, and I think it really brings it to life. And how you turn this light on, so you do push this light button, but you hold it for 3 seconds. And this button also serves as the game mode button, so you can switch between game mode, movie mode, and I think there's another sound type mode that's just supposed to enhance the audio. But guys, all right, before we get to the demo of how these sound, I just had to show you this really quick. Alright guys, this is the sound test coming from the EKSA E900 X headset. Drop a comment and let me know what you think of the sound quality, how my voice sounds, if it's clear, if I sound muted, if there's some tint to the voice. We got the senders, wow. We have the senders fired up. Oh. Am I stuck? There we go. Alright, let's see if I can do something. There we go. Ooh, nice landing. That was a close one. I'm using the headset in game mode, and it does give the sound coming back into the headset a little more bass. I would say I would give these about a 7 out of 10. Alright guys, drop a comment and let me know what you think of the sound quality coming from the EKSA E900 X, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Oh,